global search, we've done a lot of enhancements in our global search area. Again, if you're looking for a buyer or a student or a prospect or a community member, and you're not exactly sure whether they're a buyer or a student or if they're a prospect or whatever they might be, we've done a lot of enhancements in this global search area up here on the left, so that all you have to do is type in just a part of their name, like Jones, for example, Jon, E or whatever, and it's going to give you those results. So you see I have a student named Sandy Jones, and I have a buyer named David Jones, right? Well, that's very cool, right? Very useful functionality. Let's try Smith, just to see if we have any Smiths. Yeah, look at all the Smiths we have. We have 3 students named Smith. We have 3 prospects, 2 buyers, and 2 contacts. Well, in addition now to being able to search by the name, you can also search by many other fields, and we're adding many more as time goes on. But let's say I don't know this prospect's name, I just know their phone number. So maybe I know that their phone number has a 5252 in it or something like that. Well, look, now it's returning to me every student, prospect, buyer, contact, everything, any contact in my system who has 5252 in their phone number, right? Or anywhere in their record, frankly, but it's searching their phone numbers as well. Does that make sense? So it's a very cool feature, a very cool enhancement that allows you to search by more than just names, right? First name, last name, phone number. You can even search by email address. So if I want everybody who has a Gmail email address, I guess I have to spell it right, I can type in Gmail, and now it gives me all the people who have Gmail email addresses. Or maybe Outlook. Not sure if I have any Outlooks. Yeah, I probably don't. How about Yahoo? Yeah, so I have some people who in here who have Yahoo email addresses, right? So again, we've added a lot of functionality to the global search, which is a very cool feature, very cool function that we really use a lot in managing individual students. So I hope that all that's been useful for you. I really appreciate your time. Get into Atlas, click around, check out all these new features and pieces of functionality. I think you're really going to love it. Again, if you're not currently using Atlas Martial Arts software, most of the features that we just talked about today have come by way of feature suggestion from our users. We really listen to our members, to our clients, and not only have I personally, but our entire executive team over here at AMS, we've all operated very highly successful multi-school organizations. And our guiding principle is making all of this easier, making it easier to operate your school on a day-to-day basis and more profitable on a long-term basis. So these tools are designed to help you do exactly that. So if you're currently not using Atlas Martial Arts software, I encourage you to go to atlasmartialartssoftware.com, check it out, do a little demo, take a look at the application and see what it can do for you. If you're currently, if you're currently paying for a website separately, or paying for, billing services separately, or paying for software separately, we can not only save you a bunch of money, but frankly make you a lot more money, right? Frankly, help you create a much more successful business. Now,